Now, Google Stitch. Now, I mentioned before that these vibe coding apps, they tend to be very good at creating the actual app, but not great at the design of the front end or how the app looks. So Google came out with Stitch. And what Stitch enables you to do is you can say to it what kind of front end you might like. And you can say, create a front end homepage web design for a subscription tracker that keeps track. And so it created this one initially, which was okay. But what was interesting is that then you can say, okay, give me a whole bunch of variations. And then I said to it, okay, so give me a different variation of that homepage design. And then I said, okay, have it with an image. Then I said, have it with an image that has a person in it. And you could try all these different things out and create the design exactly as you want. And then just try all sorts of different ideas or different styles of design just to give you your ideas. I'm going to go back to here to show you some that other people are doing. And this is where people are creating designs for mobile apps. So it created this for this person, created this one for design for a photo library. And I'll tell you what's really cool about it in a moment. Board game club planner. Goodness, it created a whole, all the pages for a mobile app that's a board game. And it does all this stuff really, really quickly. And so you can just design things exactly how you want. You can tell it, no, change this, change that, because it's all prompts, prompt-based. And you tell it what you want for the design part of it.
Revealing my ignorance, the mobile part, that means it's in a format for a device other than a computer, like a phone or...
Exactly, for a phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it can do any kind of design, and you've got all sorts of choices. So you can say, adjust the theme, so you could make it a different color scheme, different fonts, different design there. And you can say, create variants, and it'll create 5 different designs or styles. You can say, let me see what it looks like on a phone.
Or a tablet, right?
Yeah. Actually, no, it's just got mobile and desktop, but if you wanted to see it as a tablet, you just grab the side and do that. Yeah, and you can view the code that it created to create that design, and you can copy the code or you can copy the image, and then you can go into something like Mocha or Lovable or Kimi and just dump in the code, and it will put the design you've built in Stitch into your app in those other programs.